Hey, welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. Hope everybody's doing well. I got a gift in the mail the other day from a Kai Esterhammer, and I want to show y'all what he sent me right here. This is really cool. If I can get it out of the envelope, but he sent me some artwork, and I've got two different ones. But anyway, I wanted to give a shout out to Kai, and I wanted to tell you thanks a lot for the artwork. If you want to send me, and this is another one he did, this is another one, and here's the tow trucker one. But it's really nice artwork. What I want you to do, I want you to send me, I want you to email me and send me your address, and I'll send you a shirt, Kai. Anyway, appreciate it. Anyway, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into some content. Like I said, I hope everybody's doing well. I want to thank God, thank my boss, and I want to thank my subscribers and my viewers. Anyway, peace. We're rolling in over here. We're back at it. Got another impound. Actually, we got two. This manager's got some cars they want removed. Anyway, I'm riding over here to the office right this minute. We're gonna see what she's got and where they're at. I don't have any information, I don't believe. I guess I could pull over and check my message, see if it's got a building number. Let's do that real fast. Yeah, I'm not very far from it at all. I'm pretty close. There's my Camry up there. Anyway, let's get it. Welcome back. We're rolling in. We got our impound parked in the grass. You can see the car right up here. Nobody's ever usually very happy about getting towed.
In my yard.
You can't park in the grass.
Oh,
that's the thing about it.
I'll pull it right there.
Listen, by law, I'm not hooked to it, so I got to get. We have to let her.
As long as it's up there.
If it wasn't in it, and if the pavement wasn't messed up, I'd have had it hooked. But sorry about that. Hey, if you park there again, it's going to get towed.
Okay.
Hey, they have to landscape the grass. They have to keep the. I mean, they have to keep the grass up. Hey, you can't park.
I don't usually have this car anyway.
Well, you can't park in the grass, period. Hey, nobody can. He has to do what his boss tells him to do and tow him. But it's not hooked, so by law, you got the right to move it.
Oh,
It's not hooked to it. If I had one bar on it, you have to pay it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
She got lucky.
Well, you know, I have to do it by law. If I'd had one bar on it, it would have been towed. The problem was the pavement was uneven, and I got one on the back of the truck. I just picked this one up at a body shop, or I would have put a hook on that thing. I would have hooked it and drug it, and she would have had to pay it out. But with the wheel lift, you can't back up and damage a car. The front end on that car was already messed up, and I could not take a chance on tearing the front end up on that car. We do have one more. He's got one more truck back here. I'm fixing to grab it. Fixing to grab it too. This is gonna be tricky. I'm gonna have to hook this truck and then do a lockout right outside of this guy's trailer. I'm sure he's not gonna be happy. I'm about to break in it and lock the steering wheel off. And I also, man, I've got an issue on this. Damn, that's close. Yeah, he's hooked on this one. He ain't gonna be able to get out of this. I got one bar hooked. All right, we'll roll. I'm gonna pull out. We'll head down there and sign it out. That was close right there. I got Hero right here.
Let's do it one big.
What's up, Hero?
What's up with you, man?
I don't know if I put you on the channel yet.
I guess give it a final adjustment, and then we can cut those legs off of it, and then flip it over, and I'll weld the top side.
Top here.
Yeah.
Every good tow company has a Chris.
They do?
Yeah.